Founded in 1837 as a harness workshop, Hermes remains controlled by the founding family 6 generations later. They generate over 13 billion in annual revenue with operating margins exceeding 40%, the highest in the luxury industry. Today, we'll decode Hermes' strategic playbook, their fierce independence, vertical integration perfection, scarcity management genius, and why family control enables luxury strategies that public companies can't pursue. The Independence Fortress. Hermes' independence isn't accidental, it's strategically fortified against acquisition attempts. Why does this independence matter so much for Hermes? Firstly and foremost, there is long-term decision-making. Family control enables decades-long strategies that public companies can't pursue. They can invest in craftsmanship, training, supply chain without quarterly earning pressure. Secondly, the brand DNA protection. There is no risk of acquisition-driven changes to product quality, pricing strategy, or brand positioning. Thirdly, there is value alignment. Family shareholders prioritize brand stewardship and heritage over short-term financial optimization. And finally, there is a cultural consistency. There is unified vision and values across the generations, unlike conglomerates managing diverse brand cultures. When we are talking in terms of manufacturing, they have 60 plus production sites in France, with 80% of the products made domestically. And this isn't cost effective, but it's quality obsessive. Thirdly, the craftsmanship training. Hermes have their internal training program and they develop artisans over years. One craftsman can create each bag from start to finish, the opposite of assembly line manufacturing. And then there is retail control. 100% owned boutiques globally, zero franchising, zero wholesale partnerships, zero departmental store presence. Every customer interaction is controlled. This gives them strategic advantages in terms of quality assurance, supply security, innovation capacity, and margin protection. When we're talking about quality assurance, it is when you control every step, quality becomes guaranteed rather than hoped for. When we are talking about supply security, they are not vulnerable to supplier issues, material shortages, or price fluctuations that affect the competitors. When we are talking about innovation capacity, they have direct control that enables experimenting with new materials, techniques, and products without external constraints. Finally, there is margin protection. Eliminating middlemen while commanding ultra-premium prices creates extraordinary profitability.